Hi everyone. Today we're going to unbox a toy called Tagamoto. It's one of the famous toys in the world. And the special thing about this is it can read codes for the tracks right here. And this is the back side of the cover. Now this is the vehicle that we unboxed. Now that I showed you everything, let me unbox it. Here is the vehicle, and here is the track. And the code for the vehicle is tune up. So how it works is you have to take this thing out, and then you have to press on the orange button here. And then it will stop. And then you have to make it go. And then it will read the code and do the action what it's supposed to do. Let's see how it goes. It goes pretty much well, but it makes a noise that I don't like. I even have some more toys like this